Let's talk about the latest launched ZTE smartphone Blade V70 design with sleek and stylish design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display with 6.7 inches HD plus punch hole live island display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 91% screen to body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.75, along 2 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4, and 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. Selfies. It has 16 megapixel front-facing camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of myOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T606 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 10 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB of hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.8 by 77.1 by 8.2 mm, and it weighs around 206 grams, and the color options, stone gray, rose pink, citrus orange, jade green colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 22.5 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes hybrid dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC support. Market dependent. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Blade V70 design has been priced for 4 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 5,299 Philippines pesos. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this ZTE Blade V70 design smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.